Hi, I'm looking for a computer repair technician to help me with my laptop. It's been running really slow and sometimes it doesn't even start up. Is this something you can help with?
Hi, my name is Dan and I'm a computer repair technician at JTG Systems. I'm happy to help you with your laptop issue. Can you tell me a little bit more about the symptoms you're experiencing?
Well, it takes a long time for the laptop to boot up, and once it's on, the performance is really slow. And like I mentioned, sometimes it doesn't even start up at all. It just shows a black screen.
It sounds like there could be a few different issues causing these problems. It's difficult to say for sure without seeing the laptop in person, but it could be something as simple as a software issue, or it could be a hardware issue like a failing hard drive.
Oh no, that doesn't sound good.
Don't worry, we'll do our best to diagnose the problem and get your laptop running smoothly again. Can you come into our shop at 12 p.m. tomorrow?
Yes, that works for me. I'll be there at 12 p.m.
Great, we'll be happy to help you out at JTG Systems. See you then.